So I thought I'd take the time to actually tackle something that I've talked about tackling for a while, and you guys already know what it is. But the thing is about this is that it's disgusting. And what I mean by that, I just cleaned out some of this area in here. As you can see, like, it's still pretty nasty, but like, look at this. Like, that hasn't been touched. Isn't that fucking gross? I've neglected this thing. I really have. It really needs some love, and I know that I'm gonna sell it probably eventually, but I wanna get it started today. I wanna get it cleaned up. I wanna wash it, and then I also want to see if it drives ever since we did the install. So ever since we did that install of the crankshaft crankshaft position sensor. Wow, that's ridiculous. I wanted to see if this thing has worked. Now, there's also one more thing that I wanted to point out is you can see I'm standing in the space right now for the Subaru. The Subaru is not here. It's actually at Yossi's, and I actually have something I wanted to show you. Something that I did replace. It replaced the Xterra. Some of you guys know, if you guys follow my Instagram or follow Yossi's Instagram, you already know what it is. But I figured I would at least break the news today. I was gonna do it with her, but I'm just gonna break the news today just because I have a chance and I haven't seen her, so I haven't got a chance to, but it's a little bit dirty. But it's sexy as fuck. 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Leonardo Altitude. I'm in love. This thing is not the Hemi, it's the 3.6, but it hauls ass. It's got an 8-speed transmission. It can tow up to 6,200 pounds, which means we are definitely gonna be towing the Subaru with this out of state and seeing whoever we possibly can, whatever shows, as soon as I get a trailer. But this replaced the Xterra, which I'm a little bit sad about because I really love the Xterra. In fact, I like really love the Xterra. If you ask Yossi, she started me talking about it still, because whenever I see one, I'm like, I want one. This is gonna be our future vehicle. Gonna be I guess you can say new family vehicle. We decided to get, this is our first car we're getting together. So this is her, this is our baby. This thing is nice. I freaking love it. It's really nice to have that, so I figured you guys can check it out. And it's super nice and white, and it's just, oh, it's so sexy inside. It's got so much stuff. It's just beautiful. I won't do really any reviews of it. It is used. It has 16,000 miles on it. 16,000, like whatever. But it is going to be our future vehicle, the new daily. So welcome to Jeep. But the big concern is this baby, and getting it cleaned up and seeing what we can do to, I don't know, give it roadworthy. I know the tabs are probably soon to expire, which I need to double check, which will be on the back there. But I want to get this thing cleaned up and get some of this just nastiness out of here, because this nastiness is just, oh my god, it's so gross. Look at that. Ugh. Black that is. That's nasty. Oh, brutal.
Hey, you need more content now.
Yeah, I really ran out of content. Dylan's back home, so he filled in the spot after I swept up everything. So he's got a nice, clean. What?
I can't get in my car. We're good.
Oh, okay. Frickin' Teslas. So basically swept up everything here. Oh god, why am I so zoomed out? Or zoomed in. There we go. So now you guys can see. It's all swept up nice and clean, got rid of some stuff, threw it away, and we are going to, actually, I probably should grab it. Need to get some gas for the Audi because it's completely out, and it'll definitely not run, so at least we have this He hasn't ridden in the Jeep yet, so we'll give him a ride with that. Best part, just, oh yeah, do it yourself. Do it yourself, Jeep. That's American.
Have you revealed this yet?
Nope. Shut up. Button. Oh yeah. Get some gas for this so we can at least get it jumped and started up, and then we're also gonna be all leftover cardboard we're gonna have. We're gonna at least have a nice little bonfire tonight when Matt comes over, and I believe Sydney is coming over as well, so we're gonna have a decent night. Should probably close the garage. So let's hit the road. We made a pit stop in the Jeep, and we got some firewood, tiki torches. Now we gotta actually get gas for the Audi. We're gonna have a little bit of a bonfire tonight. We made it back, and we keep doing this. Why do you always end up next to us, Mac? That's last time you came over, we met you on the road. All right, I'm gonna stick shift this shit. Oh yeah, upshift. Oh, now we're stuck. Now we're stuck. Go, 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 go. Let's race. Let's race. We got that track mode on, bro. We got sport mode. Sorry, not track mode, sport mode. And it's in manual mode. Well, I can do that too. Except I don't have to avoid bumps. Every time.
Every time.
Every time. Dude shows up when we show up. We got gas, by the way. I didn't film that. I just got out, filled it up a little bit. Not really the full can, just a little bit. And then, yeah, now we're on our way back, and it's perfect timing. Your girl's probably waiting for us, huh? Yeah. That's why I wanted to wash this thing, but I guess not. Every time.
Every time.
Every time. What's up?
What's going on?
Not much. We got wood.
What's the wood for?
We're gonna have a bonfire.
Fuck yes.
We don't have a barbecue yet, but we're gonna have a bonfire.
That'd be barbaric without throwing in the fire.
Yeah, and we got tikis. So you can grab the tikis. We're not using the gasoline for the fire. Of course we went to Lowe's.
Is that what took you guys so long?
That, and because we couldn't decide on tiki torches, which he has them now.
Wow.
Yeah.
How do you not decide on which one you want to get?
We wanted cheap ones. Really? That was your way of doing it? Just throw it? Okay.
I was gonna walk downstairs in the back.
Ooh,
Oh.
that was loud.
Explosive?
That, not those. Ah! All right, that comes up. We can feel this thing. All right. So we still have a little bit of methanol actually still in here. I don't know if it's any good, but we'll definitely be burning it. But I do want to jump this thing and get it going. I like our stand. A little bit of that, but
That is creepy.
gonna be putting a little bit of what?
I've never actually seen that screen.
It was like that when we were at the theater.
What?
Whoa. Whoa.
What?
It's like some Terminator.
What? What are you talking about? What the fuck? What?
Sentry mode.
Cute.
Okay. Well, Skynet, but whatever. Now it's watching me. That's weird. I don't like that at all. Oh, bubble tea. All right. Thanks for
Yeah.
getting me one.
Oh, it would have melted by the time I got here anyway.
So put some gas in this thing. I know we still have methanol. Got to get it jumped and then see if we can get it running. And if it lasts long enough, then we're good to go. If not, then we're not good to go. Why is this so? He just ran.
He just pushed me because there was a freaking ice cream truck.
Dude, it's been out there for a while.
No, this is, no, like he actually pushed me. No, he like literally was like, get out of my way, the ice cream truck.
Yeah, it was gone.
It just left. I watched it leave.
Yeah, what?
There you go.
I just heard it.
Just go to the fucking store.
That's what I'm saying. It's
Yeah!
It kills me.
It's nice out. Why do you need to be inside to have a truck deliver it? First try failed. First try failed. It's so dead.
Daddy,
Yeah.
have you not been on charging?
No, it won't work for some reason. I don't know. I think it's so dead that it won't charge.
Killed the battery.
Yeah. And it's a brand new battery too.
Put it up to the Tesla.
I'm curious if that would work. Oh,
No.
that's a test.
I'm gonna show you.
That's a
I'm gonna show
test.
you. Hold on.
Will Tesla jump a regular car?
There's no terminals in the big battery. There's just the 12.
The small one, yeah, no. But it'd be interesting.
Small battery.
Okay, fine. Let's get my hopes up for no
Well,
reason.
supposedly the big battery is supposed to make sure that the smaller battery never dies. I've got some eggs if you want to try. Put some tinfoil on there. The egg and tinfoil.
I'm guaranteeing you it'll cook.
Alright,
Mine's
that's it.
Pretty
Let's
hot.
see. We can do some YouTube.
Long story short, I think it's too dead to actually start, so we might not actually be able to get it going today. But we do have another theory while we have his hood open, and we're going to test it out. Can you cook an egg on top of a pulley cover from Torch Solutions? We're going to try. Okay, are we doing s'mores instead?
Sure.
I'm confused. I thought we were doing an egg.
will be
No, I was just gonna eat it.
Okay.
Honestly.
You're just wasting the freaking jumbo pack, boys. You ready
Yeah,
for some egg or
Oh, yeah.
all of it?
all of it.
That's disgusting.
Some chocolate, something a white puffy marshmallow,
Okay.
and a graham cracker.
Wow.
Okay.
Kind of intense.
Yeah, you were.
To go anymore.
Look how he's into this right now. Look at that. Get the egg now. Are those any good?
They're even organic. No, they're bad. So that's perfect.
Oh,
Organic egg.
they're bad eggs. Will that make it cook better? Wait, why do we still have them in the fridge?
For this reason.
Oh
You
my.
never know when you need it. Bad egg.
While that's charging, we're gonna cook an egg on a Torch Solution. See if it'll cook.
Pretty hot.
Pretty hot? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's pretty hot.
I don't know. It's like wait and come back and see. This is honestly taking too long. It's bubbling, but it's not there yet. So, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm calling this a bust.
I'm calling it a bust. I think we could if we were patient, but we're not patient. So now I guess we're gonna try and see if we get this thing started. If we can get the Audi started, then it's a successful day. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wait for another day and just have a good bonfire night. Okay, we failed. He's backing out, gonna get the Subaru parked somewhere else, but we need a new battery. That's kind of what it is. So we will work on that probably tomorrow. Everything's pretty much closed, although it does look beautiful and nice out today. It's actually super late. It's like 8 p.m. So and other than that, we're gonna enjoy a nice barbecue and bonfire, s'mores, and whatever else. Egg didn't work, didn't cook at all. It'd probably take hours, and we just didn't want to run the car that long. So, yeah. Next, we'll go get a new battery.